Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia Larasati from Economic Education 2016. I will present my research result entitled The Influence of Learning Quality and Self-Efficacy on Economic Learning Achievement of Students of Class 11 SMA Negeri in Lampung Selatan. Chapter 1 is preliminary background issue. Based on the data from 2016 and 2018, the average achievement of students' school exam result in economic education is still below the KKM. In SMA Negeri 1 Kalianda, the KKM for economic subject is 75. So it can be concluded almost 80% of grade 11 students have not reached the specific KKM. One the factors supporting economic learning achievement can be seen from the value of student daily achievement in class. Student daily score can be obtained through individual or group achievement. Confidence in doing economic tasks require high self-efficacy to achieve the expected learning achievement. Besides, the quality of learning provided by school and teacher can affect the level of achievement obtained by students. Formulation of the problem in the research. 1. Is there an effect of quality of learning on the economic learning achievement of students of class 11 SMA Negeri in Lampung Selatan? 2. Is there effect of self-efficacy on economic learning achievement of students of class 11 SMA Negeri in Lampung Selatan? 3. Is there an effect of the quality of learning on the self-efficacy of class 11 SMA Negeri 1 Kalianda? 4. Is there an effect of the quality of learning on economic learning achievement through self-efficacy of class 11 SMA Negeri in Lampung Selatan? Chapter 2 Literature Study. Learning Achievement 1. Surya Brata 2011. Learning achievement is the final result achieved by a person after undergoing a series of education. 2. Jaali 2012. Learning achievement is a change in a psychological realm as a result of the student's skills. Conclusion. Learning achievement is the result obtained within a certain time after the learning process. The result in question are the result obtained when a person has gone through the learning process at school and outside of school within a certain time. According to the above opinion, the intent achievement does not contain a negative connotation, but rather a success in the good that is expected by everyone. Learning quality. Bandura, self-efficacy is a person belief in his or her ability to perform tasks or action needed to achieve certain result. Conclusion. Self-efficacy is a person's assessment of one's own ability to carry out certain behaviors or achieve certain goals, or someone can master the situation and create positive result, and someone with high self-efficacy will believe the task is a challenge, not a threat, and not easy to give up, and always try to be persistent in facing difficulties, and also the person will try more, do better and less longer in the face of the task. And learning quality is of learning a factor that determines the improvement of the quality of education. The quality of learning is seen in the intensity of the systematic and synergetic linkage between teacher learning behaviors, student learning behaviors, and impact material media learning climate in producing optimal learning processes and outcomes. Therefore, improving the quality of learning must be considered carefully because it is one of the supporting factors for improving the quality of education. Chapter 2, Theoretical Framework. In this research, the theoretical framework can be described several relationships such as the influence of x1 on y and y, the effect x2 on y, the influence of x1 on x2, influence x1 to y through to x1. Hypothesis formula 1. There is an effect of the quality of learning on economic learning achievement of students in class 11 SMA Negeri in South Lampung. There's in an effect of self-efficacy on the economic learning achievement of students of class 11 SMA Negeri in South Lampung. 3. There is an effect of the quality of learning on self-efficacy of class 11 student of SMA Negeri in South Lampung. 4. There is an effect of the quality of learning on economic learning achievement through self-efficacy on class 11 SMA Negeri in South Lampung. Chapter 3 Methodology. Place and time of research is in SMA Negeri 1 Kalianda, SMA Negeri 2 Kalianda, and SMA Negeri 1 Penangan on first semester 2020 and 2021. Method of research is quantitative approach survey method using path analysis. Population and sampling on research is all student class 11 SMA Negeri 1 Kalianda, SMA Negeri 2 Kalianda, and SMA Negeri 1 Penangan. Sample all student class 11 social majoring in SMA Negeri 1 Kalianda, SMA Negeri 2 Kalianda, and SMA Negeri 1 Penangan. This study used the path analysis method to test the indirect relationship between the variables x1 and y through x2 using the Sabel test. The data used comes from the value of students' report cards in economic subjects to fulfill the variable data y for x1 and x2 data. The research used a questionnaire as a tool to obtain research data. Chapter 4 Research, Result, and Discussion. Data description. This data used 3 variables consisting of one dependent variable and 2 independent variables. In determining the path coefficient in the study, there are two structural equations, namely x1 and x2 for y and x1 for x2. The indirect effect test is carried out using the single test. The classical assumption the test conducted show the data used by the research are normally distributed for free or multicollinearity and heteroscedasticity. Based on the regression equation, it can be concluded the R-square value is 0,636 or equal to 63,6%. This figure implies that self-efficacy and learning quality on learning achievement amount to 63,6%. While the remaining 36,4% where contribution from other variables not included in the study. 1. The effect of learning quality on learning achievement. Based on the result of regression analysis, which has shown the effect of the quality of learning on the economic learning achievement, Class 11 student of SMA Negeri 1 Lampung Selatan, this can be seen from the beta efficient of 0,789 with a significant level of 0,00. From the result of the analysis, if it shows that we higher the quality of learning, the higher the student achievement, and vice versa. Students who get the good quality learning to be more active in learning so that they can improve their learning achievement. 2. The effect of self-efficacy on learning achievement. The analysis showed the higher the student self-efficacy, the higher the learning achievement obtained. Vice versa, students who have low self-efficacy tend not to be confident in doing something so that it can result in low learning achievement. 3. The effect of learning quality on self-efficacy. The result of the analysis show that the higher the quality of learning obtained by students, the higher the efficacy of the students. Vice versa, low learning quality has the potential to cause low student self-efficacy. Inadequate learning quality makes students uncomfortable studying in the school. Therefore, school and teachers must strive to provide good quality learning to build student self-efficacy. 4. The effect of learning quality on learning achievement through self-efficacy. Based on the tests that have been done, it can be said that the quality of learning affects learning achievement through self-efficacy. Research conducted by hypothesis that good quality learning will increase student self-efficacy so that it can also improve student learning achievement at school. Chapter 5, Conclusion and Recommendation. Conclusion 1. There's an effect of learning quality which has a positive and significant effect on learning achievement. The higher the level of learning quality, the higher the level of economic learning achievement of class 11 students of SMA Negeri in South Lampung. There's a positive and significant effect of self-efficacy on learning achievement. The higher the level of self-efficacy, the higher the levels of economic learning achievement of students in class 11 SMA Negeri in South Lampung. 3. There is an effect of learning quality has a positive and significant effect on self-efficacy. The higher the level of learning quality, the self-efficacy will increase. 4. There is an effect of the quality of learning and a positive and significant effect on the economic learning achievement of students of the class 11 SMA Negeri in South Lampung through self-efficacy. The higher the level of learning quality through self-efficacy, the learning achievement will increase. 5. The learning is an influence of learning quality and self-efficacy on economic learning achievement of class 11 student of public senior in SMA Negeri in South Lampung. The higher in the level of learning quality and self-efficacy, the higher the level of learning achievement. Recommendation 1. Based on the result of the research above, it shows the influence of the quality of learning on economic learning achievement It is recommended that economics teachers always improve their professional abilities to achieve the goals of good quality learning and effort to improve the economic learning achievement of class 11 student of SMA Negeri in South Lampung. 2. School as forum for students to gain knowledge and are expected to support and facilitate teachers and students in order to improve the quality of learning, which can also increase self-efficacy and economic learning achievement of class 11 student of SMA Negeri in South Lampung. 3. Students as object under study are expected to support school and teachers in order to achieve the goal of improving the quality of learning and self-efficacy and economic learning achievement of class 11 student of SMA Negeri in South Lampung. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for attention.